vertical is. So we have a reference to, which is identified as green color, and we have a working, which is identified as red color. So I'm shorting these two. Okay, when you wanted to remove it, you have to remove like this. You should not like pull like this. You should connect similarly like this and disconnect like this. Okay, and this one is a positive lead. It goes into positive. Then we have auxiliary, which is black color, and we have reference in yellow color. Again, this one will go like this. We need to connect to the negative. Okay. So now we have a 18650 battery with us. Okay, so this is how we need to connect it. This is negative and this is positive. So attaching like this, hold it in one hand and connect it. Yes, you're done. Now you can see in the software